Korean ramyeon noodles, a popular Korean noodles with served with many vegetables. Potato fries, delicious sliced fried potatoes seasoned with sea salt. Pesto, a delicious sauce of crushed basil leaves, cashew nuts, garlic and olive oil served with toasted bread. Ham sandwich, whole wheat sliced bread served with plant-based ham, tomato, lettuce, cucumber and cashew. Welcome guys, welcome to another foreigners review show. Today we're gonna see about the vegan food. Mainly we're going to try about the Korean ramyeon noodles. You can see here. I don't know, many reviews as you see now, many reviewers are doing this noodles, but I don't know how it is gonna taste. I'm so excited for this. In my life I am trying first time the Korean ramyeon noodles. I'm so excited actually. So let's go for it. First you just see how it is. See, smoke is coming out. I'm really excited, but I'm a bit afraid actually to just try this one. I don't know how it's gonna taste. I can't explain it. Wait, it's so hot. Vegetables are there. It's vegan, of course you will have vegetable. Don't expect for chicken or anything, right? Okay. It's so fresh. Ham sandwich. You can see here ham is there, but don't expect it to be a meat or something. It's purely vegetarian. So if there are any viewers or who are vegetarian, you can just blindly eat this food. This is such a good food. Just see it. It's kind of a sauce over there and leaf, cucumber, tomato. Thing. When I'm eating the first bite, I'm feeling like I'm eating something that is so healthy and fresh or something. I feel like that. And actually this sauce is so amazing that you are seeing that. I thought like only little bit of sauce over there, so there it won't affect the food or something. But this sauce is so unique. But I can't able to distinguish between whether it's ranch or Thousand Islands or any sauce. I can't able to differentiate it. But this is so amazing. It is so fresh. You can see how fresh the leaves are. So fresh actually. I love it. As I am a pure non-vegetarian, but I love this food actually. We'll just go for the next one. My favorite one among everything, the pesto one. It's a normal noodles actually, yeah, but I ate the pesto noodles before in some other areas like if you are a Filipino, you know that Balibago, right? So I ate their pesto noodles and some other places like in SM malls or some other places like. But this is not that much. It's just salt is low. Big thumbs down for pesto. It's not good actually. I don't know why they gave this food actually, but this is such a good food. Personally, I love the potatoes actually. So just see how it is roasted. Some salt and some spiciness, that's it, right? But I saw the review. They personally said that this sauce is something bad or something spicy kind of. So I'll just try this out. I'm so excited to see what is this sauce actually. A weird smell it is. Here, I'll try it. Thank God. No guys, the comments are wrong. Actually, this is not spicy actually, but it is so sweet. Most of them won't suggest this much sweet. It is like a pure sweet, I can say. It's too much sweet of that, like I guess. And the consistency of the sauce is so good, and everything is prepared by them, so maybe they just want to give the sauces in this way or something like that. Okay guys, I'm going to complete this ramyeon. I just want to finish it out, and I will just see you in the next video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, because your subscription makes me to do another video and help you a lot. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.